What's up, YouTubers? Welcome to another episode with me, the Bassinator. Hope you're all doing well. Today I am here at the Outcast Club Dams with a fellow new friend, Matthew, over there, subscriber and future outcaster. So we are going to be here at the Outcast Club Dam. We're going to be doing a little bit of bank fishing. It is very windy and hopefully we can get onto some fish. We were hoping to get onto the kick boat and a small boat, but just so windy it's going to be quite tough. So we're just going to take a walk around and see how that goes, and let's see if we can make a video out of this day today. Cool. Well, hope you guys enjoy. Because I'm just looking at it, you know. Yes, we can catch. We'll sit here. We'll probably catch, but
we're not going to catch.
I'm telling you now, we'll catch more being on the water, though.
So then we do it. I'm in.
Yeah.
What's the call, bro?
Let's do it, bro. I promise you now, there's more chance of us catch. Just hold on. There's more chance of us catching being on the water than up here. I'm not saying we won't catch, but I mean, imagine you're sitting now there and you're casting at the bank. There we go. Ooh.
That's not good. That looks good.
See, and bringing up a fish here. Yes, and he's belly hooked. Check that, belly hooked. Belly hooked. We were just talking about the fishing here now and caught a little small one on the Troublemakers from Ittys Secret Baits. Right guys, so we tried a bit of bank bashing, but it's not that great. I caught one little fish, as you saw. Now we're going to jump onto the little boats and we're actually going to get on the water and have a little bit of fun. Maybe even do a bit of a challenge, eh? We are making a challenge here today between myself and Matthew. Whoever catches the biggest fish for today will buy. Oh, there we go, and he's on a little fish. Finally, there we go. At least you've caught. And we will, whoever catches the biggest fish of the day will buy the other one the lure that they caught the big fish with. So for instance, if I catch on this Z-Man buzzbait, and I'm the winner, he will buy me a Z-Man buzzbait exactly like this one as a prize. Same thing for him. If he catches on a crank or whatever he's fishing with, I will buy him that. So yeah, let's hope this challenge gets exciting and we catch lots of big fish. Oh, did you see that? Did you hear it though?
Yeah, I heard it.
Top water tank, baby. Okay, top water.
Good job.
Oh!
Yeah, that looks good.
No, come here. It's a good fish. Yes, yes. Ah! That's a good fish. Woo! On the top water, Ittys Secret Bait Frog. Hey, told you. Top water frog all season round. Yes, and it's a good fish. Look at that. Beaut. seeing here 1.89, 1.9. But it doesn't look like a 1.8.
That's proper, buddy.
Oh.
Maybe you're taking the lead, eh?
Woo!
For now.
Well, on this dam, this is my biggest one on this little flooded dam. Yes, baby! That felt good. On a frog. Oh! Another miss. Right inside this. See that? It looks like they're in the shallow. It's crazy. What are you fishing with?
Seeker.
You want to try one of these Itties seeker frogs? Have you got a rod that can...
Oh, is that top water?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got one, yeah? Oh, great.
Yeah, there we go. Try throw one of these. These things are potent.
Oh,
That's one. I had it hooked on the hook, but it's still in good condition. Big one! Take a photo! Did you catch it on the frog? Yeah. Hey! Another one! Oh! Woo! Frog bites is on! Another about an 800. On the foggy. Hey, can you believe it? In this weather, it's cold, it's windy, and I'm catching on top water frog. Oh! Oh yeah, another big one. Yes, please. Woo! Look at that, another big one. On the frog. It's frog. Oh. Wow. Look at that. Hey? Can you believe? It's about a 1.2. Maybe we're pushing on 1.3. Very nice. Very nice. So guys, yeah, wasn't a easy morning, well, afternoon when we got here. We couldn't catch anything proper at that small dam, so we moved over to the flooded dam, and I think it was like what, 4th, 5th cast, and I was onto that big fish, so it was pretty cool. I caught quite a few fish. Matthew, you caught that
3 or 4.
3 or 4. And he caught one over a kilo, so it was alright. I was hoping he was going to catch a bit more and bigger ones just to sort of impress him, you know?
Next time.
I think I've impressed him enough. He likes the dams. Everyone that comes here loves the dams. But anyway, so yeah, I won the challenge, and he owes me a packet of Ittys Secret Junior frogs. And yeah, the next time we see each other, I'll make sure he remembers to bring my frogs. You know I love my frogs. Anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.